If x.com or Twitter is acting weird in your browser, not loading properly, or showing old posts and broken layouts, clearing your cache can often fix the problem in just a minute. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the x.com or Twitter cache in Chrome, step by step, so you can refresh the site and start with a clean browsing session. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three dots menu. Click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From here, go down to Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all of its privacy, security, and browsing data options. Once Settings opens, look for Privacy and Security in the left-hand menu or the main settings page, depending on your version of Chrome. Click Privacy and Security, then find the option that says Delete Browsing Data, or in some versions, Clear Browsing Data. Click that option to open the cleanup window. Now you'll see several boxes you can choose from. For this specific fix, make sure you check the box for cached images and files. This is the data Chrome stores to load websites faster, but when it gets outdated or corrupted, it can cause x.com or Twitter to glitch, freeze, or display older content. You can leave other boxes unchecked if you only want to clear the cache and not remove things like passwords or browsing history. Next, choose a time range. If you just want to clear recent cache, you can select a shorter period. But if you want to completely wipe the cache data and give x.com a full refresh, choose all time. That's usually the best option when a website is not working correctly and you want to start fresh. After you've selected the time range and confirmed that cached images and files is checked, click Delete Data. Chrome will now remove the stored cache from your browser. Depending on how much data you have, this may take a few seconds. Once it's done, close and reopen Chrome if needed, then go back to x.com or Twitter and sign in again if prompted. You should now notice the site loads more cleanly and many display issues should be resolved. That's all there is to it. Clearing your cache is one of the fastest ways to fix website problems without changing any important account settings. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.